Hello everybody, and welcome to another episode of Air Sucker's Garage. I'm Adam, and if you would, please hit the like and subscribe button. And I'm out of the camera shot, but that's fine. You can see my hand. You don't want to see my face anyway. But it's been a while since I've done a video. Been busy, had a lot of things going on, life stuff, etc., etc., etc. So I finally got this 1776 back together. I had to redo stuff because the original engine builder out in California, well, sometimes you got to fix somebody else's mistakes, and that's what I was doing. I got a new set of heads. I got dual springs. I got 1.4 to 1 ratio rockers, and I got high lift valve covers. I got big stainless steel valves in the heads, and of course I got dual cadrons, however people pronounce it. And I recently got it running an electric fuel pump, and so I got it tuned up. I did some tuning today. I synced the carbs, and well, it's running good. And I got an idling kind of low. Some people would say that's way too low. Cadrons have to run at least 1,000 RPMs. Mine is not 1,000 RPMs. So I know everybody says that, and some people are going to stick with that, and that's fine. They say because this carburetor here won't be sucking and supplying fuel. Now I did a lot of research on that. I'm big on research before I did anything. And an article I read is either an article or a video. I can't remember what it was. They said that if you take the linkage off of this one after you get it warmed up, you take it off. You pinch off the balance tube, which I have it running in the front for ease of operation, shall we say, and pinch that off, and then use your sync tool. Some people use the other one, the flat one with the spring. I personally like the snail. They say if you get those carburetors synced just like that it won't need to run at 1,000 because you're not compensating for the other carburetor. So, and that's what I did. Seems to be doing fine. It's crisp. It's got a good idle. It's got some response. Now, there's some of you may disagree with me, and that's fine. I'm not here to debate. I'm not here to argue with anybody. You do what you want. This is what I do. I mean, everybody's got their preferences, and everybody's got their way of doing things. And I don't want to step on anybody's toes. Everybody's different. Everybody has different ways of doing things. As long as we get to the finish line, it doesn't matter how we get there. So it runs good. Had to get a high torque starter because of all this. I burn up one starter and just about burn another one up. But you live and learn. And I've got each valve cover vented to each air cleaner, because I did have a breather box on it, and I took it off because it's still going to breathe. Oil can still run back down in there, and that's what you want. And that was just something else I would have to work around and do when I pulled the engine out and so on and so forth. Really don't want to do all that. Now, yeah, I gotta disconnect some things when I put it back in, but that's okay. Yeah. But it seems to run good. Pretty soon we'll be sticking it in Clyde. And if anybody's wondering about the artwork I got over here, I nabbed a picture off the interwebs of a World War II bomber, and they had this lady sitting on a box of TNT. As you light the fuse, you can't see all over that well, and it had problem child above it. So had a good friend of mine, Slade Beatles. His daughter, one of his daughters, is a very talented artist, and she designed this, and I took it to a sign place, and they put it on a sticker. And I really didn't want the white background, but I told her she had to sign it, and she did, and that's at the bottom. And let me see if I can get a little closer so you can see it. So, and there you have it. But it runs good, so I will hopefully get this in soon, and hope everybody has a great day, great rest of the week, and be nice to folks. Thank you.